Coming up on The New Fly Fisher, we're just outside of Ellensburg, Washington, fishing the Yakima River. But this trip is a special one. Fishing out of Red's Fly Shop, we are lucky enough to be part of the Recovery Beyond Fly Fishing Weekend, where participants are encouraged to step out of their comfort zones, participate in new outdoor pursuits, all in their personal recovery journey. Recovery Beyond is a non-profit community redefining what recovery can look like.
I think having fly fishing be a part of Recovery Beyond has been really awesome. It's a new adventure for us. It brings another element of the outdoors to this group that is really special.
It's just always been something that I've interested to do, and with Recovery Beyond and the community, I'm able to do that, which I'm very grateful for. It's tough. It's tough. You got to keep at it. It's like recovery. You kind of, and like any other sport, you got to keep at it, and it can't be one of those, oh man, you know, I wasn't very good, so I'll stop. It's just with everything else, it takes practice and it takes commitment.
Being out on the water and trying to fish fishing is it takes your mind off of everything else, right? And everything that's going on in life, it's on the back burner. You're just worried about just being on the water.
This special episode starts right now on The New Fly Fisher.